What's going on, folks? Mark, Dlux Motorsports. Bringing you a new 2011 Ford F250 6.7 diesel, just over 100,000 original miles. Lifted 6 inches, 20 by 14s, 35s. Pretty nice truck all the way around. Last couple owners were Virginia. No rust issues. Some shots of the frame. Frame's in good shape. It has a little tiny bit of rust on the bed rails. Pretty common on these trucks. None on the body though. The body's super clean. Frame's super clean. Front grille's been painted white. Bumper's been painted white. Plenty of tread left. One of the things we will be doing is putting new shocks on the truck. They're not on yet, but they will be on here in the next couple of days. It's a little windy today, so if the microphone sounds terrible, we got the hurricane right off the coast. So it's a tad bit windy around here. But overall, super nice truck, in very good shape, like I said. There's a couple shots of the interior. There's tons of pictures on my website as well. You'll find this truck on YouTube as well as a lot of my other lifted trucks. We post videos on here weekly of all the new inventory that comes in. So anyway, if you're in the market, come check us out. Dlux Motorsports. We're located right here in Fredericksburg, 4615 Ewell Road. Give you a shot of the driver's side. Just one little small dent right here. But down the body lines, still in very, very, very good shape. 2011, like I said, just over 100,000 original miles. We got a few rock chips up on the front, like on the grill. A couple here and there from driving on the interstate. But other than that, all around a very, very nice truck again. So if you're interested in the truck, give us a call, 540-898-1300. Follow us on our Instagram at Dlux, DLUX_motorsports. Our web address direct is www.dlux-motorsports.com. And of course, subscribe to us on our YouTube channel.